What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make roles. Like, see all this on the side? Admin, 5, moderator. Oh, that's how many admins are online. There's 5 admins online, 1 moderator online. And then there's verified roles. That's with the Carlbot verification. There's offline moderators, all that stuff. And I'm going to show you how to make some roles. So you're going to go to this top area where your name is here. If you're on mobile, there's going to be a little gear here. But if you're on computer, just click this up here. Click server settings. Click roles. Click, if you didn't know what it did, let me show you again. This, server settings. Down here says roles, the second one. You're going to click the plus, create role. Down here, you could drag it up just to see it. You could take this out, do like admin, like if you're making an admin role, admin. Make it whatever color you want. Down here, if it's admin, do administrator. If it's not admin, don't do administrator, because admin is like full control. Administrator here gives them pretty much all the power you have. So don't do this to all your roles. Like, see, like verified, I did not do that. OG, I did not do that. I just did display role, allow anyone to mention this role, like stuff like that. And then, so you're going to go to your whatever role you made. You're going to do administrator, because this is admin for me. It could be, I'll show you another one that you're not supposed to do administrator. You do display members separately. And then if it's admin, this is literally all you do. Just this one and this one if it's admin. And now, you could just give it to someone. Like, I'll just give it to myself, see? I already have admin, but like, I have admin now, see? And this one, I just created a role. And now I'll just get rid of that role since I already have admin. I already have that role, so I'll delete that. I'll create another one that is, let's do Guardian. I think. Nope. Guardian. Okay. So you can make this whatever color you want. And for Guardian, never do administrator. Only for admin or like moderator you can do it. But moderator for me is just like they just look around. They could delete bad messages, stuff like that. Admin can kick people, ban people. This thing makes you allowed to kick people and ban people. So Guardian, this is just like you do whatever you want here. Like, you could do, the Guardians are allowed to, they're allowed to, let's see, they're allowed to, where is it? Where is the manage messages? Yeah, here, manage messages. Allowed to delete other members' messages. Like, I could do this. Like, they're allowed to delete other people's messages and stuff like that. And then there could be like, they could manage the emojis and like all this other stuff. You could just do whatever here. And that's just how you make roles. And then it's so simple. You just press this X, and then you could like pick someone to give it to, just give it to them, and now they have the thing. Like, I give this person admin, he has the same power I have, but they only could kick people if you say you tell them, and then they'll get admin. Don't just randomly give out admin to people, because they'll just like, some people just ban and kick everyone, so don't just randomly give out admin. And to delete messages, to delete roles, you're gonna click these 3 dots and click delete. And 3 dots, delete. okay? And that's it. That's how you delete it. And you can do other things too, like you can watch my other videos how to add a verification. Like you could unverify, like not for me because I'm the owner, but for other people, if they if they don't react to this, they see nothing. But if they do react, then all this comes up. And you can also do, like in my announcements, I did like if you're a YouTuber or a Twitch streamer, the eyes is a YouTuber and the face is a Twitch streamer, like that. Okay, so that's the end of my video, guys. If you're confused about anything, ask me. I'll put my Discord in the description if you want to join. You can ask me in Discord too. Direct message me, and you can also message in my in the comment section. And I'll also put my Discord link in the description. Like, subscribe, turn on notification bells. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.